Hey, what's up? This is DAW here, and I'm here with the Montage M6. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find some of the OG system exclusive files for the DX7, convert them, import them into here, and hear how they sound. Now, there's a few sounds in here that sounds pretty good, but I'm very curious about how the original patches sound on here. With the converter, we can do that. So let's go to the computer, and I'm going to show you how we can get those sounds and convert them, and then go back to the board. Okay, so now we're on the computer, and on this website, it's called FM Converter. Just Google that, and I'll put a link in the description. But this website from Yamaha will take your DX7 system exclusive files and convert them into files that are readable by your Montage. So what I'm going to do is bring in, I got 3 files here that both contain different things like the original E-piano presets and full times. I'm going to open that. And we got conversions going on right there. We see that they're all there, and we can just download that, convert, and download selected files. Files have been converted successfully, and they've been converted into a single zip file. So let's take a look at that zip file. So as you can see on this computer, it spit out one zip file. You can unrar that zip file, and now I have a file that's called YMFC exports .x71. So what I believe is that all 3 of those system exclusive files are contained in the one file. So I got that on a thumb drive. Let's go ahead and take it over to the keyboard, and let's see what we get. All right, so we're back on the Montage. I have the thumb drive where I put that one file inside of it, and now I got to plug it into the back of the Montage, and we're going to load it up. So we're going to hit the utility button, and we're going to go to contents. I'm going to select that drive right there. Now it's loading it up. This is happening in real time, so it just needs a few moments to do it. But once it's on there, it's on there. All right, so we're back into the keyboard, and I'm going to go and hit performance and category search up here. Category search, and I'm going to basically go to the bank of all, and I'm going to use an initialize attribute and then initialize the FM right there. Hit that, hit enter. So we got that. So what I want to do is I want to navigate to those presets that I installed. So I tap on that button right there, category search, bank, and as you can see, that export file, which is right here, I know it's kind of washed out, but you tap on that file there, and now you have all your presets right there. So there's the full times. Now, what I thought you could do is drag in a bunch of the presets at the same time, but this looks like just the, well, no, it's there. So all of them are there, but they're combined into one large bank right there. But now you have all your sounds, and now you have the OG sounds that are on the DX7. They are now here, dry, without any effects, without coming from the factory, and I like how they sound. As you can see, there's a little bit of a continuity error because my rack is not up here, and that's how I get a better angle of that. But that's basically how you import OG DX7 presets onto your Montage. I'm sure it's simpler on the MODXs as well. And I like how they sound, and I'm going to be building some performances on them and all that good stuff. So hope you liked that video. You're watching the DAW T2K YouTube channel. I'm DAW. Peace out.